Sunbathing, a relaxing backyard activity. Each year, millions of men and women head to their local tanning salons. While indoor tanning is a great way to get a tan, it is not the only way. It seems as if many tanners have forgotten what they have right in their own backyard. If you are a tanner, especially one that spends a fairly large amount of money on indoor tanning, you are encouraged to consider backyard tanning. Backyard tanning has an unlimited number of benefits, many of which you may find useful and money-saving. Before you can begin to understand the benefits of backyard sunbathing, it is important to keep one thing in mind. Tanning is not necessarily considered a safe activity. Tanning, especially in large amounts, has been known to create a number of different health problems. One of those problems is a potentially deadly one: skin cancer. While many forms of skin cancer are treatable, there are others that are not. Before making the decision to head outside, it is advised that you give this serious sunbathing risk some thought. After careful examination, you may decide that the risks are not worth the short-term results. While most individuals are familiar with skin cancer, there is another health concern that many are largely unaware of. In addition to skin cancer, sunbathing can also cause premature aging of the skin. For many tanners, this makes them look older than they really are, not in a good way either. What is deceiving about tanning is that you will look great in the moment, but skin damage will accumulate over time. This means that although your skin may not show signs of aging now, it could in a few years. After you have examined the above-mentioned risks, such as premature aging of the skin and skin cancer, you should then decide whether or not tanning is right for you. If you feel that it is, you may want to head out to your own backyard, instead of visiting your local tanning salon. As previously mentioned, there are literally an unlimited number of benefits to tanning in your own backyard. Just a few of those benefits may include free tanning and a relaxed environment. The main reason why tanning in your own backyard is cheaper than tanning salons is because the sun is free. As long as you have a clear space in your backyard, you should be able to soak up some of the sun's rays. Doing so will not cost you any money at all, however, visiting your local tanning salon will. The amount of money it will cost to go tanning indoors will all depend on the tanning salon that you visit. Despite these different fees, many tanning salons charge around $10 a week. That means that a year's worth of tanning could exceed $500. With backyard tanning, you could put that money to better use. One of the many reasons why indoor tanning beds are popular is because they are convenient. Many individuals schedule a tanning session after work or during one of their breaks. Although tanning can be considered convenient, in a way, it is also inconvenient. Not only will you have to drive to the tanning salon, pay to tan, but you will also have to wait your turn. Backyard tanning can be done at just about any time and you don't have to worry about unnecessary travel. Backyard tanning is also popular because, in many ways, it is relaxing. In many tanning salons, tanners are allowed to bring in headphones, but that is it. With backyard tanning you do not have to cram yourself into a small machine. Instead, you are free to move around. While tanning you could not only listen to music, but read a book, do your homework, work on additional projects, go for a swim, or even play outdoor sports. You can almost always achieve a tan, whether you are lying down or up moving around. While backyard tanning has its benefits, these benefits may not be right for you. You can still continue to visit your local tanning salon, but you may also want to combine it with backyard sunbathing. Tanning salon appointments may still be needed, but you may not need to make them as often. This video has been made in the spectacular video creator, Content Samurai. Click on the link below to try it for free.